Hi, my name is Anwar from Eureka Archery. Welcome to the third installation of KL League or Liga Panah KL. As you can see, it's drizzling now, and there are 20 target bots or 25 target bots actually ready for today's archers. So today Eureka Archery has been given the privilege to host this tournament as the director of shoot. So we'll see what happens today at the KL Archery League. Right, so we're gonna start the tournament very soon. As you can see, a lot of the junior archers are very excited. For most of them, this is their first time joining an archery league. You can see a lot of them are getting ready. And since today is the 1st of September, yesterday was Malaysia's Merdeka Day or Independence Day celebration. So let's take a look. So it looks like the weather is a lot better now. We are going to start in about 5 minutes time. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the KL Archery League brought to you by SMK Taman Tun Dr. Ismail, Alif Archery, Zawra Archery, Mumtaz Archery, Archer Studio, and the rest of the sellers who has been supporting us for the past 3 KL Archery League. Alright, so in a typical archery tournament here in Malaysia, we have a few things that you have to worry about. The first thing and the most important thing is safety. If you look down on the ground, you will see the media line. So this is basically the line that separates the public and the archers. Moving up, this is the equipment line. So usually this applies to modern archers where they have to park their equipments here before going to the shooting line. So you move on to the next line. This is the waiting line. This is where you wait for your turn and not cause any disturbances for the archers shooting. So right next is where the shooting line is. So on the shooting line, this is where you shoot. You knock your arrows and face it forward. Moving forward, you can see behind me, 18 meters is the distance that we're going for. 3 arrows in 2 minutes. So we'll see how the archers fare today. Most importantly, safety, security, and have fun. Remember, Malaysia is a humid country. Just now it just rained, and we won't be surprised if it's going to be sunny in a few minutes time. So the perfect way to dress for an archery tournament: loose fitting clothes, something to cover your head, long pants, and preferably waterproof boots. Because it can rain, it can be sunny, you can never predict the weather here in Malaysia. So one option is to dress all traditional, or the other option is to wear your club uniform, comfortable, and make sure that you carry extra clothing in case of anything. So you can see here, this is Gani, or more affectionately known as Ato. He's making sure that the archers are on the line and making sure that no arrows leave the quiver until being told so. This is very important. Safety is the #1 priority in archery, so you want to make sure everybody adhere to the international archery standards.
One of the most important aspects, always safety. An arrow can kill somebody, so if you not kill somebody, you might injure yourself.
Selamat datang kepada semua pemanah. Terima kasih kerana menghadiri Liga Memanah Kuala Lumpur siri ketiga. Berikan tepukan yang gemuruh kepada pihak penganjur. Pertama sekali kita ingin mengucapkan terima kasih kepada Tuan Tanah SMK TTDI. Berikan tepukan yang gemuruh. Dan kepada pihak pengurusan Alif Archery, tepukan. Zawra Archery, Mumtaz Archery, dan tak lupa juga Archer Studio. Thank you. Para peniaga yang telah support kita daripada Liga Archery 1 dan juga kepada sekalian pemanah, berikan tepukan gemuruh. Pemanah-pemanah yang pertama kali masuk pertandingan, tepukan yang gemuruh. Pemanah-pemanah yang berulang kali masuk pertandingan, tepukan yang gemuruh. Pemanah yang berkali-kali masuk, tak menang, tepukkan bagi mereka. Dan akhir sekali, ukhuwah di antara pemanah berbilang kaum dan bangsa. Tepukan gemuruh.
Allahumma ja'alna fi kanafika wa iyazika wa jawarika wa amanika min kulli syaitanin marid.
Jadi tanpa melengahkan masa, saya perlukan seorang pemanah untuk berada di depan sini dengan saya untuk menunjukkan tata cara di lapangan memanah. Jadi adik boleh tolong tak? Tak boleh, terus kejong. Adik? Okey, nama siapa? Haziq. Salam. Berikan tepukan gemuruh bagi Haziq. Adik tahu tak apa tu sky draw? Sky draw tu boleh buat ke atas macam itu. Okey, sekarang pusing. Jadi, perhatian kepada semua pemanah, dilarang sky draw. Apa itu sky draw? Iaitu menunjukkan anak panah ke atas langit. Jadi, cuba tunjukkan sky draw. Macam gitu. Dilarang sky draw. Nombor 2, semasa memanah, pastikan sebelum turn anda, anak panah berada di dalam quiver. Anak panah hanya dibenarkan berada di atas tali pada shooting line. Seterusnya, berikan tepukan gemuruh untuk adik ini. Jadi, tanpa melengahkan masa, kita akan mulakan official sighting siri 1, pemanah A dan B ke shooting line. Pemanah C dan D ke shooting line, A dan B ke belakang. Archer C and D to the shooting line, A and B to the back.
D di depan, A di belakang.
Okey, cantik.
Okey Pak Im, tengok atas sikit.
Tengok nama.
Entry level 6 arrows.
Semua.
Only entry level 6 arrows. Only ada entry level number
3 arrow je.
So right after the 3 series shooting, so right now we're putting names on the Olympic round. So you can see there's a small crowd gathering there to see who made it to the Olympic round. Now this has been the staple for the KL Archery League, and there's a lot of people here who are in high hopes to see whether they make it to the Olympic round, to have a chance to be the best archer for KL. So this is the KL Traditional Archery League, and we are seeing the Olympic round names has been tabulated.
Saya boleh berdoa lagi. Terus saya minta. Apa yang tak datang?